So yeah, guys, welcome back. So in this section, we will actually going international. Here your guide to SEO. So let's say you want to do international SEO for your blogs or for maybe for your client blogs. So what it means when I say going international, understand what it means for SEO. An international SEO strategy is a set of tactics used to optimize a website for users in different countries and languages. So the main reason of going international SEO is to focus on these two factors, which is like different countries and languages, improving its visibility and organic traffic in those regions. So, as a blogger, what you need is you need to improve your website visibility and, of course, the organic traffic in those certain regions. It involves understanding the unique search behavior and preferences of each target market and adapting content and technical aspects of the website accordingly. So, this is what it is when you're going international or targeting any specific country. Let's say you're just targeting Spain, because this is what when you make a website for a particular region. In Spain, there is a different language that the people speak. I guess the language is Portugal. I don't know, but there is a different language that they speak. But so what you need is you need to have a language barrier there. So what you need is when you create content, you must use that particular language for your blog in order to create the content for them, so that they understand it in a better way. And countries involves is visibility and organic traffic. And the second thing is you have to localize each and everything of your blog, like from URL to, of course, the language. And you should be adding your website in Google Maps and all of the you have to actually understand the user behavior, and what type of audience you are targeting specifically. So that's what going international means. When you actually put your website out there for any specific region like Spain or Europe or any country, or or any country that you could possibly can add. So I guess this is a pretty much understandable statement, you can see. And in the upcoming video I will show you guys what are the basic factors when you go when you do international SEO for your blogs or for maybe for your agency blogs. So in the upcoming video I will show you what you need to be doing. I guess that's pretty much it for this. See you in the next one.